Hi, welcome to Maptive. In this tutorial, we're going to go on a deep dive of the base map customizations. To get to the base map customizations, we're going to hit Map Settings here on the top left, and we're going to click on the base map menu. In this first menu, you have a lot of customization options already. You have base map themes, different themes that you can choose from. Remember, anything that you change, you can change back. Watercolor, you can change. Points of interest color. With roads, landmarks, and labels, you can choose the size of those. You also have a reset button that can reset everything. And of course, set initial map position. If you want to set your map to start open a little bit closer or at a different zoom level or in a particular area, you can set that using that button. But near the top, we have another menu, Advanced Settings. In Advanced Settings, you have all kinds of things that you can adjust. Now, whether you're going to make these changes forever or you're going to just mess around in this particular tool, zoom in so that you can see what's happening on the map. So in Advanced Settings, we're already in there. You've got administrative changes you can make, landscape, points of interest, and that's all kinds of things. Parks, place of worship, schools, sports complex. You've got roads, you have transit, visibility, as well as finally water. So let's start fairly simple. Administrative is going to give us some capabilities of changing some of what we see on the map right now. So I'm going to go to all, and I'm just going to change the color. We don't have to stick with the yellow. We can make it any color we wish. It still looks a little thick to me, and so I'm going to set the weight as well. And I think 2 will do it. And that's just the labels that they were already showing on the map for the most part. And now we can see it in a different color. So you can have them stand out more obviously, depending on what you need. You have the ability to adjust your geometry. And we're still in the administrative. You have fill and stroke, and you have labels, and you have text and text outline, and of course, icon. You can jump back to Advanced Settings, clicking here, and you can do specifically for country or province or locality or neighborhood or land parcel. You have landscape itself that you can show, points of interest, attractions, or you can do points of interest just all. And we can see those points of interest stand out. And so now those are a different color. We'll fix that too. And now we can see those outlines there, and we can see the ridiculous color I chose. Hang on, let's fix that. So now we can see points of interest, areas of interest in this general vicinity. I mean, there's just so much that you can change. So we're still in points of interest, and it's all of the choices as we had in the others. But you can stand out each individual points of interest as well. As you can see, roads, you can have them stand out better. Again, just by making those changes, so you can have highways or major highways show in a different color than the roads and have it stand out further. There's so much that you can get done in Advanced Settings. So feel free to quite literally play in here and make a mess of your map, because you always do have that reset button. to put it all back the way you started. As always, if you have questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you for watching. Bye.